Definitely do not take rain days off. Looking blue jay there. This is a blue jay left. Yeah. Beautiful male cardinal. That one looks like a little woodpecker. I can't tell. We have some titmouses, which I think that one is. Just put that out, and then coming right at us is Mama, who lives, or Dad, who lives up in the ceiling. Right there. Their family has been living here as long as we have. And you got little birds on trees. It's a winter wonderland. And, sorry, spring wonderland. And look, honey's got to go potty.